What's up YouTube? Welcome to Word with Lakshit. So in previous video we have built this program which returns the definition of a word. So let's run the program again, and if I put the word, it will return the definition of a word. Here you can see the word definition of train, and if I run and put any wrong word like this, it will return the word does not exist. So how can we get this value into the suggestion? Like the Google give a suggestion for a particular word, how can our program give suggestions for this word? So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
First of all, from different labs, it is a library where all the libraries of Python has been stored. From this, we will import get close matches, and under this if statement, you can see that if the word exists, the definition of word will be returned, and if the word does not exist, the word say word does not exist. How can we put the suggestion? For that, we will put a elif statement. What it does, it will check if the word exists, it returns the answer. If does not, then it will check for suggestions. For that, put a get close matches. Then in here we put a word variable, and here you can put a data dot keys and then 0. What this means, it is a function for get close matches. Here it checks the word in this data file of keys. You know, it is a directory dictionary, sorry. In dictionary, it will look for the words like which we have entered here, and it 0 means that it will only suggest let's say it will suggest only one word. If I put here 1, it will suggest 2 words, so we want only one suggestion, that's why we have put 0 elif. And one more thing, if you we have to put here len. I will tell you why we want that. Len is greater than 0. The one probability of user input is that the user cannot enter any word. If the user does not enter any word, it will still return the definition, but we don't want them. We want the suggestion only when the value of this word is greater than 0. After that, we will simply return, we have to put here, sorry, colon, and here we will simply return, let's say, did you mean, well, then we do this percentage sign, and as it means we will input a string here. Let me show you how. After that, we will put this parenthesis, sorry, this percentage sign, and here get close matches. The value of this data dot is 0. What it does, it will put the value of get close matches in this percentage s. After that, let me first run the program and show you what the output will be. If I put a wrong word, did you mean, it said it has suggested the word rain, which is similar to this, and we want the user, if he want to read the definition of what this is, this or not. For that, we will simply create a variable, let's say yes no equals to input. In this input, and then we will put this slash n, because we want the answer from the user in the next line. Enter the enter sorry enter y for yes and n for no. So let me first, now if I run the program and enter any random word, it said, did you mean rain, yes or no? Then we will create a if statement. If the person put yes, then we will give the definition for that. We will use if yn equals to let's say y, then we will simply return data, and this data this list will put the value of this variable. And if user says no, then you will simply return elif yn equals to n, then we will simply return and if I put here no, let's say rain, and I put here no, it will say try again. And let me show you one more thing. If I put rain and y, it will give the two definition as a list. So how can we make it more beautiful? For that, let me delete this space first. For that, we have to simply put this answer in a new variable. Say answer equals to this value, and we will create a for loop. For I in answer, we will simply return simply print I. If I save and let me just delete this terminal again. Okay, we have to go to this project. We are in the wrong folder. For that, we have to put cd command. Then after that, we have to put the project name, and here we have to put, then here we will put the random word, let's say rain, and did you mean rain, let's say yes. It will give the two definition in the new line. And but if I put here no, wait, what's wrong here? Okay guys, I have put it the wrong keyword. And if I put here no, and I have put it the n here, sorry for that, but it's okay. And if I put n here, no here, it will give this lammy text. Try again. How can we improve that? For that, we will use a if statement. If type of answer equals to list, then we want this as answer. What it means, if the answer type is list, it will return the definition, else it will return simply print answer. So let's run the program. Let me just clear this. Let's run our program. Python, let's enter any random word. Did you mean rain? If I put yes, it returns the definition. Okay. If I put rain here again and put n here, it will return text in much better way. So you can try more like this. And one more thing, if you want this code in a graphical manner, you want this code as a website, so watch our tutorial in depth, our course which is called Python 2 AI ML and Data Science. you will learn how you can convert these codes into a website, live website. So watch it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, and thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.